I35equipment.com. There's a Bobcat T870 hydraulic tracked compact loader or skid steer. It does have the rubber tracks on it. One of those tracks was recently replaced. Runs and operates excellent. Local consignment. Includes that bucket right there with 9 teeth on it. We do have other buckets and grapples and other attachments available. You can see our full update inventory of attachments online at www.i35equipment.com, along with all the specs and photos of this machine. This machine does have joystick controls, but they're also switchable, so no matter who's operating it for you, you have the pattern control of their choice. Full cab over air conditioning, dual travel speeds, and high flow. Also has the Bob-tach quick attach system, so you don't have to get out of the cab to change between buckets. Just flip the switch, and you can back out your bucket. The machine has a lot of power. Welcome, you can look it over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator, hire someone who wants to accompany you. We are open by appointment only though, so just give us a call and get on the calendar. Our phone number here is 405-833-6437. Drag Hong quote, we send equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you shouldn't be an issue at all. Just fill out that form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide route and get back the best rate that comes back to us. We do welcome you to come and pick it up for yourself if you're so good for arranging your own hauling. Of course, our specialty here is consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle head equipment, give us a call or fill out the form on the website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We help you get your machinery sold. If you're in our local area, we allow folks to dump dirt, rock, concrete, bricks, and the like back here. Just give us a call, we'll show you where to unload, and then unlock the gates for you, and start dumping. Please no trash, trees, grass, or that sort of stuff. This would be a great machine for the job site, or if you just need it out on the ranch to do all sorts of work. We're going to let him climb out, and we'll take a look around inside the operator station, as well as the motor and the tracks. We're going to find our way around there so we don't have to walk through the deep mud today. Track that was recently replaced. It is excellent. Sounds like a really great spine here. It does have the rear view camera. Next week's service at 2482 hours. If I remember correctly, this bucket was 82 inches wide, 9 teeth on it. These lines are for your quick attach system, and this is for your high flow auxiliary hydraulic hookup. Glass looks all good. That is a Bobcat front glass. You can zoom on out to that fisheye lens to give you a good view of the interior. In case you didn't notice that the front work lights are working. Bobcat, this is air suspension seat. Go ahead and close this so we can keep some of that cold air conditioner in here. Drop this safety bar. Alright, I'm going to show you here. It may look like they're flickering, in real life they are not. 96.4 hours. We're going to turn these headlights off so I don't forget them. No actual issues or codes. These lights are on because we have the parking brake on. That's a hydraulic lock and a parking brake. We're going to go ahead and flip through here. That's your RPM, voltage. That's who your operator is. No codes, no issues. Right here is what once you drop your safety lap bar, you can hit that and it's going to operate. You're going to see these lights go off. Over here on this screen, you got your digital information center. It's going to show you everything and allow you to access all your information, as well as if you want to do operator settings, you can go through that. Rear view camera is mounted right here. go and work as your ignition key, as it is a security code enabled machine. Throttle here. Also have a throttle foot pedal. All these are for your auxiliary hydraulics. These are for travel speeds. The only other thing really to show you back here is it does have the operator handbook. And then, if I remember correctly, yeah, there it is. The HVAC is located right there. Working Bobcat Jensen heavy duty radio. See if we can get a station to come in here for you. Working radio. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope this video is beneficial to you. As always, you see our full and up-to-date inventory online at i35equipment.com. Have a great day.